Welcome to Roatan, Honduras, a Caribbean paradise where turquoise waters meet lush tropical jungles and adventure waits around every corner. Today, we're exploring the top 10 places to visit in Roatan in 2025, from world-class beaches and hidden reefs to jungle sanctuaries and colorful coastal villages. Whether you're here to dive into the Mesoamerican reef, relax on West Bay Beach, or meet the island's friendly sloths and iguanas, this video will guide you through the absolute must-see destinations that make Roatan one of the most magical islands in Central America. Stick around until the end, because the number one spot is something you'll never forget. 10. West Bay Beach. Our journey begins at West Bay Beach, the undisputed crown jewel of Roatan. Consistently ranked among the finest beaches in the entire Caribbean, this pristine, mile-long stretch of powdery white sand offers perfect conditions for swimming, world-class snorkeling, or simply unwinding beneath swaying palm trees. The crystal-clear, tranquil waters are part of the magnificent Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, the world's second-largest reef system. The incredible thing about West Bay is that you can access this underwater wonderland right from the beach, no boat required. Expect to see colorful parrotfish, angelfish, and even sea turtles just yards from shore. West Bay also boasts an impressive selection of beachfront bars, professional dive operations, and luxury oceanfront resorts. Make sure to stay for sunset, when the Caribbean sky transforms into a canvas of deep oranges, vibrant pinks, and golden yellows, creating a truly magical atmosphere you won't soon forget. 9. West End Village. Just a short scenic drive north lies West End Village, the authentic cultural heart of Roatan. This charming, vibrant town features rustic wooden boardwalks, locally owned boutiques, and an incredible variety of restaurants serving everything from freshly caught seafood to traditional Honduran baleadas stuffed with refried beans, cream, and cheese. As night falls, the village comes alive with the sounds of live reggae and salsa music as travelers and locals alike gather to experience genuine Caribbean hospitality. Whether you're seeking world-class diving adventures, sampling local delicacies, or simply soaking in the island atmosphere, West End perfectly captures Roatan's true spirit. 8. Little French Key. For those dreaming of a private island experience, Little French Key is an absolute must-visit destination. Situated off Roatan's southern shore, this eco-conscious resort island delivers everything you'd expect from a Caribbean paradise: pristine white sand beaches, Instagram-worthy overwater swings, exceptional snorkeling spots, and unique wildlife encounters. It's ideal for day trips, and since access is limited to a brief boat journey, the island maintains an exclusive and peaceful atmosphere. Spend your day swaying in a beachfront hammock, enjoying handcrafted tropical cocktails, and taking in the picture-perfect Caribbean views that surround you. 7. Goomba Limba Park. Next on our journey is Goomba Limba Park, one of Roatan's premier attractions for families and nature enthusiasts alike. This verdant jungle sanctuary near West Bay serves as home to playful white-faced capuchin monkeys, brilliant tropical birds, sunbathing iguanas, and meticulously maintained botanical gardens. Adventure across the park's impressive suspension bridge, delve into mysterious pirate caves, and discover Roatan's fascinating history at the immersive Coxson's Cave Museum. For those who appreciate wildlife encounters and outdoor adventures, Goomba Limba Park offers an unforgettable experience. 6. Carambola Botanical Gardens. For a more serene escape, the Carambola Botanical Gardens in Sandy Bay provides the perfect retreat. Spanning an impressive 40 acres, these magnificent gardens showcase an extensive collection of native and exotic plant species, from delicate orchids to abundant fruit trees. The highlight is an expertly maintained nature trail that leads to a stunning lookout point, offering breathtaking views of both the island and its surrounding reef system. This tranquil sanctuary provides the perfect setting for peaceful walks, birdwatching, and reconnecting with nature in one of Roatan's most pristine environments. 5. Daniel Johnson's Monkey and Sloth Hangout. One of the most enchanting and memorable attractions on Roatan Island is Daniel Johnson's Monkey and Sloth Hangout, This intimate wildlife sanctuary offers visitors the rare opportunity to interact with gentle sloths, playful capuchin monkeys, vibrant macaw parrots, and native iguanas in their natural habitat-like environment. The sanctuary, lovingly operated by the Johnson family for generations, has established itself as a leader in wildlife rescue and conservation efforts on the island. Beyond just providing adorable photo opportunities, the facility offers in-depth educational programs about local wildlife and actively participates in animal rehabilitation projects. The knowledgeable staff shares fascinating insights about each species' behavior, diet, and conservation status. 4. Mahogany Bay, serving as Roatan's primary cruise ship destination. Mahogany Bay is a pristine coastal haven that perfectly balances excitement with tranquility. The area's signature attraction is the innovative, magical flying beach chair, an exciting chairlift system that transports visitors on a scenic ride above the treetops directly to the private beach below. Once at the beach, guests can indulge in extensive duty-free shopping at the port's boutiques, explore vibrant coral reefs while snorkeling in crystal-clear waters, try their hand at paddleboarding, or simply unwind on pristine white sand beaches with tropical cocktails. The well-maintained facilities and professional staff ensure a comfortable and memorable visit for all travelers arriving by sea. 3. Oak Ridge Village. Step back in time and discover authentic island culture in Oak Ridge, affectionately nicknamed the Venice of Roatan. This fascinating fishing village, constructed entirely on wooden stilts over the water, offers a unique glimpse into traditional Caribbean life that can only be accessed via local boat tours. As you navigate through the intricate network of mangrove tunnels and past colorfully painted wooden homes, you'll witness daily life unfolding in this waterborne community. Local fishermen mend their nets, children paddle to school in small boats, and residents exchange greetings from their waterfront porches. The village provides an intimate, peaceful perspective of Roatan's rich cultural heritage that most tourists never get to experience. 2. Arches Iguana and Marine Park. Nestled in French Cay, Arches Iguana Park stands as a testament to local conservation efforts, having protected and nurtured Roatan's indigenous iguana population for more than 3 decades. The park serves as a sanctuary to thousands of free-roaming iguanas, offering visitors an unprecedented opportunity to observe these fascinating creatures up close while learning about their complex social behaviors and natural habitat. Beyond its impressive iguana population, the park features a marine component where visitors can observe magnificent tarpon fish and endangered sea turtles in their natural environment. The facility's dedicated staff provides educational tours that make this an ideal destination for both wildlife enthusiasts and families seeking an interactive learning experience. 1. The Mesoamerican Reef. The crown jewel of Roatan's natural attractions is undoubtedly the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef. This magnificent underwater ecosystem, stretching over 600 miles along the Caribbean coastline, represents the second-largest reef system in the world and offers unparalleled diving and snorkeling opportunities. The reef's diverse underwater landscape includes everything from shallow coral gardens, perfect for beginners, to challenging deep wall dives at renowned sites like Mary's Place and Blue Channel. Even if you're not scuba certified, most beachfront resorts offer professional diving lessons and equipment rental. Snorkelers can easily access vibrant coral formations and encounter tropical fish species just yards from the shore, making this natural wonder accessible to all water enthusiasts. From the vibrant coral gardens of the Mesoamerican Reef to the peaceful mangrove villages of Oak Ridge, Roatan truly captures the heart of the Caribbean. Each destination tells its own story of nature, culture, and the incredible spirit of the Honduran people. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more inspiring travel guides just like this one to help you plan your next tropical escape. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. And until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep traveling the world with Voyager.